Hey YouTubers, this is part 5 of Motorcycle Crash's game review. This is Suzuki TT Superbikes Real Road Racing. New game, arcade mode. Let's go see what they have for 600s. Guess that's the black. Triumph Daytona. Let's see what she's like. I'll take that. Let's just race. Once again, loading time. PS2. Awesome. Oh, look at the graphics. Here we go. I'm not fooling around. This guy can race. Yee-hoo! Oh, and I took another rider out. Don't hit the wall. Those other riders are like, get away from this guy. Nice straightaway. 5th gear, 127. Oh, that rider just smoked me. Note to self. Don't slam on the brakes. Whoa, I almost hit those people. They would have died. Once again, you just get up. It don't matter. This wheelie. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh! Well, enough of that. I hope you liked it. Quick review of Suzuki TT Superbike. You guys have a great day. Keep your right hand cranked and wait for the next one.